than our mommies. Yeah, it's hotter here, and that is why my skin is brown and you'll find water here. And where's my bum after I'm done raiding my PG there? And that I'm Pinoy, I shout it everywhere and tattooed it here. A baby dog still inside the eggshell. It is good, it's called balut. I take ulam, rice and sausawan with my hands, sing it. I cross open, I have two godparents, I have 10. Well, Oppo Pinoy style. Pinoy style. Oppo Pinoy style. Come on, you know the dance. Pinoy style. Oppo Pinoy style. Hey, Pinay lady. Oppo Pinoy style. Stays where it's shady. My name is Mikey Bustos, your one and only Pinoy boy. I'm pointing with my lips cause hands are busy eating Pinoy. Dressing to the elderly, I'm mano po to Lola. But now my forehead smells like ginger cause she cooked tinola during summer here. Yeah, it is super scorching hot and that is of the year.